been travelling with my family through India for the past 3 weeks and came into this trip picturing India full of crazy streets, bustling markets and an overload for the senses. Join us as we show you there is another side to this country, one that is serene and a nature lover's dream. Welcome to Thekkady, a lush paradise nestled within the state of Kerala. Hello.
Welcome to Greenwoods, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to Greenwoods.
Thank you very much. Hello. Hi. Thank you. I wasn't expecting it to rain though. Yesterday we had beautiful clear skies, sun's out, it's beautiful and warm, and it's not cold, it's still like nice, but here you go, it's wet and raining today. I honestly can't wait to show you guys this resort. So we're staying at Greenwoods in Thekkady and it's just an absolute paradise. I feel like we're in the middle of the jungle, in the middle of India, which is technically exactly where we actually are. Before I do that, I'm very hungry and it's time for breakfast. So let's go get some food. Thekkady is known for its spices due to the tropical climate, fertile soil and high altitudes. We consume spices every day and never think to wonder where they came from and how they are grown, so this is truly an eye-opening experience. It's cool, hey?
Also, it is belong to ginger family. Yeah. Yep. I can explain about the process.
Cashew and ginger
It is
together.
a tender rhizome.
Oh. Yeah, it's good.
Nice combination. It's for you. Feel like it's home. Okay. Have it more.
Oh yeah, I want to try some.
And you can't get like that
Beautiful.
beautiful ginger.
Chocolate's beautiful.
You can smell and taste the real cinnamon. Smell it.
Thank you.
For the demonstration, right? It's more harder, sir.
It's so different to what you like back at home.
Yum.
By the way, I'm sorry, I'm not a very good listener. Everyone here knows it.
We do. We do. What are we buying?
Some chocolate, some coffee, but no tomato mama. Some tandoori chicken.
Yum! Really is not turning out like we thought it would. We thought we would be doing the tree climbing stuff and be out in the sun, and we were planning on doing a boat ride in the Perrier Reserve, and it's just been sad and raining. That's okay. When you're on holiday, you just gotta go with the flow of it, you know? So we're just going for a walk now, gonna explore the streets, and then hopefully the rain stops later. Chocolate, look, pistachio flavored chocolate, mango, strawberry.
I'm equally curious, but also like, I don't know, orange flavored chocolate.
Okay. Can we do 3? 3 pieces? 3 of pineapple.
So weather's cleared up. My little bros are gonna have a go at the ropes course. Whoa.
The traditional dance styles of Kerala are incredibly beautiful and are based on ancient epics and myths. Every movement is like sign language. It tells a story through creative and elaborate expression. This brings us to the end of a very short and sweet vlog. Unfortunately, the weather didn't hold out for us on this trip, so we didn't get to do as much as we would have liked to. However, what I will say is that Greenwoods Resort and Thekkady, just beautiful. I would highly recommend you stay here if you're looking for something a little bit different, to see a different part of India. This place is just stunning, and it was just a beautiful opportunity for us to come, chill out, take a bit of a breather before we get into the craziness of getting on an overnight train tonight and then heading to Chennai. For me, the Chennai part of this trip is really the culmination of why this trip even started. It's where my dad's from, so I'm really looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to taking you guys along with as much of that as I can. So please do like this video, subscribe, you know the deal by now. But I will see you next when we're on our overnight train to Chennai. Bye.